So now let's see how we can work around with difference cloud and clouds effect inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with difference cloud effect, first of all, you need to go around onto filter, then go around onto render right here. And over here, you can see that difference clouds is an option right here. So once you apply the difference clouds, then what happens is that it takes the particular photo, turns it into negative, and then adds in cloud effect onto it, as you can see right here. And that's it. That is how you add in the difference cloud. Apart from that, you can go around onto filter right here and then go around onto render and then choose clouds as well. And once you choose clouds, then what happens is that instead of rendering it out right here, you can see that it simply goes around and then adds a cloud straight ahead to the image right here without making a difference right here. So let me just go around and create a new layer right here and then apply out a clouds to that. So let's just go around onto clouds. Then you can work around with the opacity, as you can see right here, to get the effect as you want right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around with difference clouds and clouds effect inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.